Hi, Mr. Aslan, the landlord here. The time is 18 minutes past 3 in the afternoon on Thursday, 21st of January 2021. And today I want to show you what it means by Juliennes. Okay, so Juliennes is a fancy French term which they use in culinary school and gastronomy school. And in high cuisine, what it really means is just to cut up vegetables into matchstick sizes. So here I have kohlrabi, which I've cut into juliennes. I have carrot, which I've cut into juliennes. I have yacon, which I've cut into juliennes. I should have cut the yacon last because they oxidize quite quickly. So compared to the kohlrabi, which is still white, and yacon have turned brown. And here I've got pineapple, which I've cut into juliennes, 2 slices of pineapple. And here, these are not cut into juliennes, but they're cut into half rings. I've halved an onion and then I've cut them into rings. So this is a purple onion. So these are some of the ingredients that will go into my rainbow salad. I call it a rainbow salad because it has a rainbow of colors. And why do I have a rainbow of colors? Because the pigments in vegetables are mostly antioxidants of one variety or another. So when you have a rainbow colored salad, you'll have the full spectrum of micronutrients, particularly antioxidants, okay? I can't remember the names. They have very strange tongue-twisting names. But I'll put it in the video description so that you have an idea of some of the names. But what I know offhand, carrots as well as pumpkins have beta carotene, which is the precursor for vitamin A. Your body makes vitamin A out of beta carotene. So strictly speaking, vitamin A is not a vitamin because vitamins are only nutrients that the body can't produce. So by right, the vitamin should be beta carotene. Okay, because the body can't make beta carotene and you need to get it from nutrition, because that basically is what the what do you call it, the definition of a vitamin is, or vitamin is. It's a micronutrient that is vital for life, but can't be made by the human body. Okay, so these are the vegetables cut into juliennes, except for the onions, which are half rings. And I'll use these to make a rainbow salad. So see you next time. Bye. This is kohlrabi. This is carrot. This is yacon. These are pineapple juliennes. And these are purple onion cut into half rings. Cut into half and then cut into half rings.